How to make this handmade decorative painting? Let me teach you. Take a small amount of orange and red wool, mix them, and feel the bird's head. Take a small amount of orange wool and feel the neck. Take an appropriate amount of colorful wool and feel the body. Take an appropriate amount of colorful wool and feel the tail. Take an appropriate amount of white wool and feel the belly. Take an appropriate amount of brown wool and feel the beak and branches. Mix an appropriate amount of brown and orange to needle felt the bird's feet. Take a small amount of black wool and feel the eyes. Take a small amount of white wool and needle felt the highlights of the eyes. Take an appropriate amount of green wool and feel the leaves. Take a small amount of white and blue wool, mix them, and feel the background. Take a small amount of white wool and feel the clouds. Finish the needle felting. Open the fasteners on the back of the photo frame. Place the canvas face down inside the photo frame. Cover with the back panel and press the fasteners tightly. It's done!